Guys, and welcome back to Wake Up Entertainment. So there was some news that was circulating just yesterday, and the news was that Dr. John Hlophe had resigned from MK Party. So many people, were talking about how John Hlophe has resigned. He was disgruntled being in MK because he's been sidelined. But of course, we all know he is indeed sidelined. But it's the resignation, that was a bit shaky at the time. So the good news now is that Mzwanele Manyi came in, and labeled this resignation by John Hlophe as fake news. And it's not only just Mzwanele Manyi, even David Skosana, he came in, and described those news as fake. So what is happening is that all MK members, they came out in support of John Hlophe, to say he is not resigned. He is a full member of MK Party. So this is good news for MK Party members. John Hlophe is still a member. However, there is one thing, wherever there is smoke, there is fire that is going to be igniting. And whenever you see these reports, coming out, there might be something unfolding behind the scenes, because people did indeed talk about how John Hlophe is disgruntled, and people were describing that as fake news, but we later learned, that he was then removed as the DP of MK. And we saw that with Floyd Shivambu, that fight with Duduzile Zuma, people, coming out to say, no, there's no beef between the two, but later out, the truth came out. And this is the same thing that is happening with John Hlophe, and his resignation. It's sort of like being swept under the carpet, with lots of support. Because usually what happens is that when you see there's lots of support, from the members to say this has not happened, this has not happened. It's like they're trying to conceal something, historically. If we are to look at how these events have been unfolding, we've been seeing this, so many times with Mboiseni Ndlozi at EFF. We've been seeing all that, but I hope it's not the case with John Hlophe, because we do not want him to be leaving MK. I'll catch you guys on the next one.